Hi, and welcome to Nature in New Zealand with your hosts James Campbell and Sean Harding. Come, let's take a journey. Hey look, it's a palm tree. You can tell by the way it has palms.
Hey everyone, this is a tree fort, because it's been here for 40 years. You know, I gotta say something, this is some pretty neat nature. Here in New Zealand, we have the best nature in the world.
Hey, you've walked up on a wild orange triangle. It's cool because it's crazy and it grows nails and then puts itself there, like here. Other times, it points to some awesome nature out here. Come, take a look. This is an albatross nest. Not really, but it could be in New Zealand because 87% of its wildlife is rare and unique to New Zealand itself. That's pretty neat.
Hey everyone, this is a New Zealand baby fern. You can tell, because it's a baby.
Oh hey, you caught me finding a new plant. This is called a tree. You can tell by the way it leaves.
Here in New Zealand, there are many types of birds. Most common, the tui. And I'm going to demonstrate right now the mating call for the tui bird. That's pretty neat. Alright everyone, we've come up on an incredible sight. The New Zealand wild boar. We're going to get closer so we can try to hear the mating call to it. Oh my god, it's seen us! Oh! That was pretty neat.